In this video, I will guide you on how to know if someone ignored your Snapchat friend request. First, launch the Snapchat app on your phone. Make sure you're already logged into your account. Once you're inside the app, look at the bottom of the screen and tap on the message icon. Here you'll be taken to the conversation page where your friend list appears. Now look through this list carefully. If the person has accepted your friend request, their name will appear here and you'll be able to chat with them. If you don't see their name, it means one of two things. Your request is still pending or the person has declined your request. To confirm which one it is, move on to the next step. Next, you want to tap on the search bar and here you want to search for their username. Type in their username. Once their profile appears, pay attention to the button next to their name. If it says added, this means your friend request is still pending and they haven't responded yet. If it says add, this means your request is no longer active. Most likely the person has declined your friend request. Snapchat does not directly notify you if someone declines your request, so this is the easiest way to figure it out. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.